alaikum everyone. Welcome to our presentation. Before starting our presentation, I will give short introduction myself and my team members. I am Maria Rashid and my ID last three digit is 160 and my team members are MD Mehedi Hassan, EMON Shahriar, MD Alif Rabbi and Farhan Rahman. Today our presentation topic is the static memory. Now I will discuss it. Here are the overview of static memory. Introduction, what is the static memory? Static versus dynamic memory. Structure of static random access memory cell. Working of static memory, advantages, disadvantages. Static memory in modern processors. Future trends in static memory applications and conclusion. The introduction of static memory. Static memory, a key component in digital logic design, refers to memory that retains stored data as long as power is supplied. Unlike dynamic memory, which requires constant refreshing to maintain information, static memory holds its contents using flip-flop circuits. These characteristics makes it highly reliable and faster in performance. Static memory is commonly implemented in the form of static random access memory, that is called SRAM, and is widely used in applications that require high-speed data access, such as processor, case, and embedded systems. Its role in enhancing overall system performance makes it an essential topic in the study of digital electronics. Now, I called my next team member, EMON Shahriar, to continue the presentation. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is EMON Shahriar. My ID 232-15725. Now I will discuss about my presentation topic. Slide name is what is static memory. First of all, static memory uses flip-flop to store its bit, and secondly, it is use data is stable and does not need to be refreshed, and faster and more reliable than dynamic memory, and last is more expensive and consumes more power. Next slide please. So my next slide name is static versus dynamic memory. Here we include feature with static memory versus dynamic memory. First is data retention. For static memory retains as long as power is on. For dynamic memory needs to be refreshed. Speed feature for static memory faster and slower for dynamic memory, and cost efficient for static memory is very expensive, and dynamic memory this is called very cheaper. And last one, feature uses for static memory, it is very case sensitive, and for dynamic memory it called used for main memory. And next slide please. Here we include structure of static memory cell. First one is typically made using 6 transistor per bit, that by 2 cross coupled inverters, 4 transistor and 2 access transistor. Static memory store 1 bit per cell and include dynamics diagram of 6 transistor static memory cell, that is called optional visual. Now I called my next team member Mehedi Hassan for describing next part.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Mehedi Hassan. Today I will discuss about the working of static memory. Here are multiple operations like write operation, read operation, and no refresh operation. Write operation. Data is written by enabling word line and passing data through the bit lines. Read operation. Data is read from the bit line while the word line is active. No refresh needed as data is stored in bistable latches. Next slide please. The advantage of static memory: high speed, simpler control logic, data retention as long as power is supplied, reliable and consistent performance. Now I will call my next team member.
Thank you, Mehedi. First of all, Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Alif and my ID is 2321561. In this slide, I will describe the disadvantages of static memory. So firstly, the high cost per bit, larger the cell size, higher power consumption, not suitable for high density memory application. Next slide. Here in this slide, I will be describing the role of static memory in modern process. Static memory, particularly SRM, plays a crucial role in high performance computing. It is most commonly used in cache memory layer L1, L2, and L3 to store frequently accessed data and instructions. This significantly reduces memory latency and improves overall processing speed. Overall, the presence of SRM in crucial area of processor architecture directly contribute to the efficiency, responsiveness, and performance of modern computing systems. Next slide. Let's now explore some emerging trends in static memory technology. SRM is facing a challenge at smaller technology nodes like 7 nanometer due to leakage and scaling issues. To improve efficiency, designers are using thin AVT based SRM and exploring non-volatile options like STT, RM, and MRM. There's also ongoing research in low power, high density designs using advanced and materials. Testers aim to make static memory faster, smaller, and more efficiency for further systems. Now, call my next team member, Farhan.
So hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Farhan Rahman, ID 232155562. Now I'm going to discuss about the topic of applications. As we can see, there are 4 applications that the first one is CPU cage, embedded systems, high speed registers, networking devices, and routers. So in CPU cases, the uses of static memory is frequently accessed data and instructions are stored here using this static memory for super fast access, uh, speeding up execution by reducing access time to main memory RAM. In embedded systems, we have used static memory since these systems often run a single applications repeatedly. Static memory is ideal for predictable real-time performance. In high-speed registers, registers are the fastest memory in the CPU, used for temporarily holding data during processing. In networking devices and routers, the uses of static memory used for routing tables, buffer management, and packet processing operations that require speed and stability. Next slide. Okay, now the conclusion. So the basic conclusion of this presentation is that static memory plays an crucial role in high-speed data access in digital systems. Its speed and reliability make it ideal for critical components like case memory. Despite being costly, its benefits make it essential in modern digital system. So thank you so much. That's all for us. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.